Whether you're working from home, troubleshooting a friend's computer, or just need to access your files from another location, Remote Desktop can save you a lot of time and hassle. AirDroid Remote Support Tool makes remote desktop connections simple and efficient. Let's dive in. First, download AirDroid Business on the supporter's computer, and download AirDroid Remote Support on the supportee's computer. Once downloaded, go ahead and install the app on both devices. The installation process is straightforward, just follow the on-screen instructions. After installed, it's time to set up the connection. Open AirDroid Remote Support on the device you want to access. You'll see a unique 9-digit connection code. Enter this code on the device you're controlling from. Once you've entered the code, click Connect and wait for the connection to be established. And just like that, you're connected. You now have full control of the remote Windows computer. Now that we're connected, let's explore some of the key features that make AirDroid Remote Support so powerful. You can easily control the remote device as if you were sitting right in front of it, share screens for better collaboration, and transfer files between devices. This is perfect for troubleshooting issues or accessing files and applications remotely. Follow these tips, and you'll have a seamless remote desktop experience every time. For more information about AirDroid Remote Support, please visit our official website and have a free trial. Thanks for watching and see you next time.